Good morning, Primary 1. How are you today? Hope all of you are great and everything is okay. Who can tell me how many months are there in a year? 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and finally December. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 2, which is talking about ones and tens, place value and value, comparing between the numbers. Let's start with the ones and tens. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Any number consists of two digits. For example, if I have number like 25, any number consists of two digits. Each digit has its own home. Home for the ones and home for the tens. So 25, I will start building the ones home from the right hand side. So 5 is in the ones and 2 is in the tens. So any number consists of two digits. Each digit must have its own home. 5 lives on the one home and 2 lives on the tens home. Let's see an example. 26. 26. How many on the tens and how many in the ones? Don't forget, right? Tens and ones. So I have to write 2 on the tens and 6 on the ones. Excellent. 11. So don't forget to write ones and tens. So I have to write 1 on the tens and 1 on the ones. Okay? 7. Here I have to write here the ones and here I have to write the tens. So the tens I can find anything, so I write 0. So the number here I will put 0 on the tens and I will write 7 on the ones. Okay, write each number. 1 on the tens and 8 in the ones. So what shall I do? I will write first tens and ones. So I will put 1 on the tens and 8 on the ones. So the number it will be 18. Excellent. Here I will put tens and ones. Then I will write 3 under the ones and 0 under the tens. So the number it will be 3. Okay. Now let's know the new concept, what the meaning of the place value and the value and how can I differentiate between them. Okay, I will give you an example, the same example, 25. So I will write 25 again and I need to know what the difference between the place value and the value. Place value means I will asking on the place. I will ask where the digit live. The digit live where? On the ones home or the tens home. So for example 25, 5 it will be the ones and 2 it will be the tens. So here the 5 lives on the ones home. The 5 lives on the ones home. So the place value of the 5 is ones. And 2 here lives on the tens home. So the place value of 2 is tens. So the place value means where the digit live, ones or tens. So when I ask you the place value, you have to write the word ones or tens. Now let's know what the meaning of the value. What the meaning of the value? Value means I have to write the number. Value means I have to write the number. But don't forget or this important note. I have to know this important note. Tens loves 10. Tens loves 10. Ones loves no 0. Ones doesn't love any 0. Tens also only love 10. So here 5 in the ones or the tens ones. So the 5 doesn't love any 0. So I will write 5 as a tens without any zeros. So the value of the 5 on the ones it will be 5 as a tens. Okay, what is the value of 2 on the tens? Tens loves 10. So I will write 2 and beside 2 I will write 10. So the value of 2 and the tens it will be 20. It will be 20. Now let's move to examples to be more clear. Circle the value of the underline. Circle the value of the underline digit. Here I have 3 and 8. I need to write the value. So I need to write the number. Ones loves no zeros. tens loves 1 0. So 38, 3 it will be tens, and 8 it will be ones. So 3 in the tens or the ones on the tens, and we mentioned before that the tens loves 1 0. So I will choose 30. 47. So 4 is tens and 7 for the ones. Ones loves any 0? No. So I will write the value of the ones as it is without adding any zeros. 19. 1 for the tens and 9 for the ones. 1 on the tens. Tens loves any 0? Yes. So I will write 10. You can complete the rest of these examples. Okay, write the value of the each digit. Don't forget here 46. So I will write T on the 4 and ones for the 6. So when I write the value of the 4, 4 loves 1 0. So I will write it as 40. 6 loves any zeros? No. So I write it as it is. So the value of the 46, 40 and 6. 71. So 7 for the tens and 1 for the ones. So when I write 71, I will write 7 on the tens with the 0 and write the 1 as it is without any 0. So this is the value of 71. Let's move to the place value. Are you ready? Yes. Circle the place value of the underlined digit. The place value, which is mean where the digit lives. The digit lives on the ones home or the tens home. So 38, I will write here tens and I will write here ones. 3 lives here on the tens or in the ones. Of course, 3 live in the tens. So I will circle tens. 50, 5 and tens and 0 on the ones. 5 now lives on what? On the tens. So I will choose the tens home. 36. 6 for the tens and 3 for the ones. Now 3 lives on 6 or on the tens or on the ones home. So I will So I will choose the ones. So here I will choose the ones because 3 lives on the ones home. So I will choose the ones home. Number C, write the place value of the each digit. Write the place value of the digit 2. Place value means I will write tens or ones. So 21, here I write T and here I write O. So 2 here lives on tens or ones. Excellent, on tens. So I have to write tens. Okay, 2. 2 here for the ones. And tens it will be 0. So now 2 lives on what? On the ones home or on the tens on ones home. So the place value of the 2 is ones. Excellent, great job. 92. 9 for the tens and 2 for the ones. So now the 2 lives on the ones home. So I will write ones. Now let's take another concept. Comparing between the numbers. Comparing between the numbers. When we compare 2 digits by 1 digit, so of course 2 digits are greater than 1 digit. For example, 56 and 3. 56 consists of 2 digits, 5 and 6, and 3 consists of 1 digit, which is the 3. Which is bigger, 56 or 3? Of course 56. So 2 digits is greater than 1 digit. When we comparing 2 digits with 2 digits, so the first step I have to do to look at the tens place. I look to the tens place. Here I have 6 on the tens home and here I have 8. So we'll ask myself which is bigger, 6 or 8? 8. Excellent. So the alligator will open its mouth to 8 to eat 86. And when we compare 2 digits and 2 digits and the tens place are equal, so what shall I do? I will look for the ones. The number, the digit which has the greater ones is the bigger number. Here I have 4 in the tens and 4 in the tens. They are equal, so I have to look at the ones. Here I have 6 and here I have 2. Which is bigger, 6 or 2? Of course 6. So 46 is greater than 42. Let's see an example. Put greater than, smaller than, or equal sign. 3 or 5? Of course 5 is greater than 3. It's so easy. 4 and 10. 4 consists of 1 digit and 10 consists of 2 digits. So of course 10 is greater than 4. Let's see 35 and 57. 35, the first step, I have to look at the tens. Here I have 3 and here I have 5. So which is bigger, 3 or 5? Excellent, 5. So now the alligator will open its mouth to eat 57. Great job. 99 and 98. Which is bigger, 99 or 98? I have to search first on the tens. Here I have 9 on the tens and 9 on the tens. They are equal. So what shall I do? I will look at the ones. Here I have 9 on the ones and 8 on the ones. Which is the greater, 8 or 9? Of course 9. So the alligator will open its mouth to eat 9, which is the greater number. The last one, 23 and 32. Which is bigger? First I have to look at the tens. Here I have 2 and here I have 3. So 3 is greater than 2. 27 and 27. When I see two same number, I have to put equal sign. Thank you for watching. Hope to be enjoyed. Goodbye.